guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be letting you guys know about some insane life hacks that will literally make your life better. Some of these are just so simple yet so damn effective, you need to try these. Now I'm going to be talking you through a lot of them and also demonstrating a lot of them today, and it's honestly going to be amazing. Now the first one is a phone life hack. This one is dead simple yet so damn effective. When you're charging your phone, if you want to get more charge, then what you should do is put your phone into airplane mode, and then you will get more charge when charging it. Guys, it's that freaking simple. That is literally it. Now the second life hack is a way that you can make someone really happy today. If you want to do your good deed for the day, here's how you can with literally 2 clicks of your mouse or trackpad, whichever one you use it. Boys, if you hit that like button down below and also subscribe to my channel, you will make me so freaking happy, and that'll be your good deed for the day done. And also maybe we could get to like, I don't know, 35,000 likes. Maybe. Now this one, guys, is so freaking awesome. What you need for this is a pair of earphones. There can be any earphones, and if you've ever wanted to know which side of your earphones is which, so much easier than actually having to look on your earphones and look for the actual L or the R on them. This is how you can know which side is the left and which side is the right, literally instantly. Now if you get your earphone, this one right here is the left side. Basically what you want to do is tie a little knot in the left side like so, and then basically, guys, that tiny knot will indicate which side is which, because if you knot the left side, you're going to easily know which one's the left side, so you don't have to spend ages messing about trying to figure out which side is which. You'll just freaking know instantly, and that one literally takes like 3 seconds to do. I've literally just done it now. Another mental life hack is how you can get to sleep easier. This one has saved me so much in the past. I've been doing this now for about half a year. That's when I discovered it, and honestly, this has really helped me out. Like, this one is crazy. Basically, guys, if you're rolling around in bed really tired but you can't seem to get to sleep, do this and it is bound to help you. Guys, you want to blink constantly as fast as you can for about a minute. I'm gonna do it right now to demonstrate. Yeah, it hasn't been a minute, but you guys get the gist of it. Now, basically, doing that will tire out your eyes, and sometimes it can be the edge that you need to just get to sleep easily. If you want to get into bed, just do it before you go to bed, because it can really help. And slightly later on in the video, there'll be another easy trick of how you can get to sleep quicker. Here's a really simple one, guys. If you want to remove the stem of a strawberry really easily, then what you want to do is you want to get a straw and poke it through the bottom of the strawberry, and then you can literally just poke off the stem out of the top, guys. So simple, yet so damn effective. Guys, I got myself a strawberry. I got myself a straw. Let's see if we can poke out this stem with this straw. Oh, yeah, look at that, guys. There we freaking go. A few leaves got caught, but basically, you can pull out the whole freaking stem. How cool is that? Now, has this ever happened to you before? You put a drink on the floor, someone comes in, kicks it over, or you forget that it's on the floor and just kick the freaking thing over. Water goes everywhere. It can even get dangerous if you do it near a plug socket or something. Yeah, a way that you can reduce the risk of this happening is just put your freaking drink inside a shoe, then it grips better to the floor, and there's less chance of you kicking it over and actually spilling. Simple. Now, if you think my hair is looking really long right now and you want me to get it cut, if you leave a comment on the video down below telling me to get a haircut, that will make me 72% more likely to go and get my freaking haircut. Try it right now. Now, this one can be very useful. A person usually makes more hand gestures when telling a true story. So if someone sat like this or something, or just with a hand still behind the sides, that usually means that they're telling some kind of a lie or a fib. Now, you can use this to your advantage if you want to tell a lie and maybe get away with it, or if you've got a feeling that someone's lying to you. Look at their hands. If they're solid still, that could mean that they're lying. Hey, Mum!
Yeah?
Am I adopted?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Why?
You're 100% sure I'm not adopted?
Yeah.
Liar! 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 Now, spending more time outside can actually reduce your chances of depression. So it looks like me being a YouTuber is really screwing me over here because I do not leave the house. Have you ever been at McDonald's? You go over to the condiment section. I think that's what you call them. Is it condiments? Whatever. You go over to get some freaking ketchup or some barbecue sauce. Now you don't want just one pot of ketchup. You want 2 or 3. However, you don't want to get one, fill it up, put it down, get another one, fill it up, put it down. Now this one is pretty popular, so you may already know it, but if you get the pot of ketchup, you can actually spread out the pot to make it a lot bigger. That way you can fit more ketchup or barbecue sauce in your pot and you don't have to get like 2 or 3. Have you ever been in this scenario? You've ordered a takeaway. That can be pizza, Chinese, Indian, whatever you want. You've ordered a takeaway, but you have to go and pick it up. However, maybe after you've picked up the takeaway, you want to go to the shop or get something like that. But as you leave the takeaway longer and longer, it's going to be getting colder and colder. So when you get home, it may need to be microwaved up, and microwaving takeaways always just takes all the flavor away. If your car has heated seating, basically place your pizza or whatever takeaway you've got on the heated seat, put it up to max heat, and that will do a good job of keeping your takeaway warm so that when you get home, you don't have to microwave it and it tastes as good as when you picked it up. Cue the meerkat.
Simples.
Have you ever been in this situation? You're in public and you're wearing a hoodie. This could be a tight hoodie or just any hoodie in general. And then you get hot, so basically you want to take off your hoodie. However, when you go to pull it off, you end up pulling up your t-shirt with the hoodie. And then after you took your hoodie off, you look around and you see like 2 or 3 people staring at you. Unless you've got an absolutely banging body, you probably don't want that happening. So here's a way that you can take off your hoodie and not end up showing your body to everyone. It's kind of hard to explain, but not hard to do remotely. Basically, if you get your arms and put them back through your sleeves and actually take your arms out of the sleeves but keep them inside the hoodie, what you can do, you can actually pull up your hoodie without your hands in the sleeves.
I am the one, the way you're talking.
And basically, it means that you can take it off without showing your belly. You might already know it. It's really, really easy to do, but yeah, there you go. Actually, it's getting quite hot in here, guys. Might just quickly take my hoodie off, but you know, I don't want to show you guys my freaking body. There we freaking go. I was only joking, by the way. It's not hot in here at all. I'm gonna put it back on. Okay, let's do this. Now, this one doesn't apply to me, but this is a really, really cool one, which will work for a lot of you guys. Specifically the gamers or just anyone with a computer. Now, with your computer, obviously, you've got to have a keyboard. And as you guys may know who own keyboards, it can be really, really hard to clean the dirt out of a keyboard. Or not dirt, just all the little bits of stuff that get in between the keys. Now, this one don't really apply to me because I've got the Apple keyboard and the keys are literally so thin. But basically, if you want to clean inside the keys of your keyboard, get a sticky note, get the sticky bit of it and dangle it in between the keys because it's paper, you can fit it through easily, but because it's sticky, it will get up all the little hairs, all the little bits of like crumbs, and it'll clean your keyboard really, really easily. Can be a little bit time consuming though. Now, here's one that I have done many, many times. You've got yourself a jar of Nutella. However, the problem is you've used most of the Nutella out the jar and you're down to just like the little bits that are like stuck on the edges of the jar. You stick your spoon and you try and get them up, but you can't get much out. However, you don't want to waste all that good Nutella that's still in the jar. If you go out to the shop and get some ice cream, or just go in your freezer and get some ice cream, if you've got some, put the ice cream into the jar of Nutella, and basically that'll allow you to get up the freaking Nutella and have a really nice Nutella ice cream. Guys, it's so simple, but it's good. If you want to have ice cold water when you're out and about on the go, the way to do it is to get a plastic bottle, fill it about a quarter or maybe a third of the way full with water, then lay it on its side, put it in the freezer, and then freeze it for a while, get it back out, put some more water in. The quarter of the bottle, which is filled with ice, will slowly melt into the bottle. However, it won't be stuck at the bottom. But since you've laid it down flat, the ice water will spread out evenly into the bottle, and it'll basically allow you to have a really ice cold bottle of water when you're out and about. There we freaking go. Done. Sorted. Right, let me ask you guys this freaking simple question. Have you ever slept through your alarm? Not gonna lie, it's happened to me a few times. Here's the trick which can reduce the likeliness of that ever happening again. It's freaking crazy, guys. Now, if your alarm is set on your smartphone, what you can do is you can put your iPhone into a glass, just a cup, and basically when the alarm goes off, the sound will be increased and you will be more likely of waking up. It's that simple, guys. It's crazy. But Morgan, we don't believe you. I hear some of you guys asking. Let me freaking demonstrate. Still hasn't came out yet, guys. It's going tomorrow. Guys, make sure you have a glass big enough. But yeah, take my word for it, it does work. Yeah. Here is something you may not have known about a can. You get yourself a can, it could be of Diet Coke, could be of Coke, could be of Sprite, and you also get yourself a straw. You then put the straw into the can, and what do you know? It lifts and floats out of the can and falls out. Guys, I'm going to show you a trick how you can stop that ever happening again. Basically, you want to get the top of the can, the little cap thing, twist it round so the hole is over the hole of the actual can, and then put the straw through the hole. That way, it ain't gonna be falling out, guys. So freaking cool. Such an easy trick too. So simple. Here's another life hack related to drinks. Now, if you've got a drink of, let's say, we'll just say Diet Coke, why the hell not? And you want to put ice cubes in the drink to make it colder. However, you don't want your drink to be watered down by the water, which is obviously made out of the ice. Here's a fairly time-consuming but a pretty cool trick of how you can stop that happening. If you freeze into ice cube the liquid that you're actually drinking, so if you freeze Diet Coke into ice cubes and then put the Diet Coke ice cubes into the drink of Diet Coke, it ain't going to be watered down, is it? And now for the final life hack, I'm going to tell you guys another way which can help you get to sleep. Now guys, this one's going to sound kind of strange, but let's say you've been in bed and you're tired and you want to get to sleep, however you can't. If you actually tell your brain that you don't want to sleep, if you just think, right, I don't want to sleep anymore, I don't want to sleep, that can actually trick your brain into making you fall asleep. Guys, it's nuts. Just try it. It's freaking cool. And guys, there we freaking go. That is all the life hacks out the way. Now, go out and try some of these and tell me in the comment section how you found them and if they helped you. Also, add my other social medias and tell me on there if these tricks helped you. Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. They'll all be in the description, all be on the screen right now. Guys, add them up. And yeah, that is about it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. As I said earlier, if you could leave a like, that'd be absolutely amazing. And subscribe to the channel if you are new. But as always, I've been Moles. You guys have been awesome, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
If you enjoyed the video, then remember to subscribe to Mugsy's channel. And don't forget to leave a like if you have a big penis. Thanks for watching. Peace out.